Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me for another video. So excited you're here. I'm Laura. If you're new to my channel, please stick around, hit that subscribe and hang with us. We do tons of subscription boxes, shopping hauls, as well as outfit of the day. All right, Wyatt is still here. He is on bug patrol. Xena is also here. You'll see her. She's trying to stay away from me right now for some reason. I don't know. I'm making her work today. I think that's the problem. For today, I have my monthly style edit for you from Wantable. So a couple of days ago with Linda, I shared my out of office themed edit. So this is my regular monthly style edit. Can't wait to dig in. I do love Wantable. I think that the fact that they send 7 items instead of the typical 5 that you get in a subscription box, as well as the fact that you do not have to buy everything to get a discount, and the variety of styles, the fact that they have the active edit and the style edit. There's just so much variety with this subscription. They carry tons of different styles that I just really enjoy it. They do have a $20 styling fee, comes off anything that you keep. They have a stream on their homepage that you can go through and request or decline items, so your stylist gets to know you, and quite often you do get items that you request. Sometimes not immediately, but they will keep them in on your wish list and try to send them to you whenever they can as soon as your size becomes available. I also love the personalized stickers, so much fun. And then of course on the flaps they do tell you what to do once you get your box if you're not sure. All right, looks like I have a fairly large bundle here. Let's check this out. What do you think, Wyatt? Yeah, I do. That looks kind of fun. You always get a pamphlet here that tells you what type of edit you're getting. So if you get the style and the active, just like I do, it also has notes from your stylist and your pricing sheet. You get a return envelope to send anything back that you don't love and don't want to keep. Free shipping both ways. All right, let's check this out. First up, oh, I think this was a request. An ACDC tee. This is so super soft. It's the Highway to Hell World Tour from, when was this? 1979 to 1980. So obviously this is a remake tee. This is called, the brand is Recycled Karma. So super, super soft, but it's all made to look all vintage, right? Like you've had this forever. Love the purpley colors on the gray here. I have to look. I feel like I requested that. I did, back in May. Oh, it's such a cute tee. All right, next up, what is this? This is from Tart. This is a very comfy blazer style, like a knit blazer in a light gray, heather gray. Has the zipper pockets there. See what that looks like a little bit better. It has like this little bit of a collar that folds over. We'll see what that looks like better once I have it on. What else? Xena looks like she's confused. Let me move her over to the other side. Maybe you can see her. She might be trying to make a break for it. There she is. What do you think? See, you want on that side? Next up, what is this? I do not know. Is this a dress? I think it is. This is a Z Supply. Is this the Reverie? This is the, I've heard it pronounced, I know someone asked me if I was pronouncing it wrong. When I hear the stylist say it, I hear them say Reverie. So I don't know if I'm saying it right or wrong, but that's how I've heard them say it, so that's why I say it that way. I like that. So this one has sleeves. So the other dresses in this with the same name have been the sleeveless with kind of the racer back, right? So now they have this new version with the sleeves and the t-shirt dress. So, and then it has that same bottom. So I really like this, and I love those dresses. That's cute. But I'll be honest, I'm not certain how you actually say that. I've just been going by how I've heard it said by others. What is next? This is by Gentle Fawn. This is another dress. Has a belt and a little bit of the flippy bottom, the flirty bottom here, ruffly. Has a very light pinky and tan pattern going through it. And it also has this little bit of lacing detail through the top. The sun's going to start coming out. I'm going to start squinting at you. Okay. That's cute as well. Then I have a pair of Lila Ryan purple shorts. Those are nice. Side pockets. Some pockets in the back. And another pair of shorts. Who were these by? Maybe Dakota. These are in a tan. Basic tan. These are a nylon-y feel. What's the fabric of these? They have the patch pockets. Polyester. They're polyester. I should have known that. Kind of those patch pockets in the front, no pockets in the back. And last up, I have a pair of the crop jean by Liverpool. Love Liverpool. I bet you these were a request too. These are cute. This is glider, so these are pull-on. If you'll notice that this is a real button, but it's not. Doesn't need to be unbuttoned because this is all just stretchy elastic, so it looks like you actually have a true button and zipper, but this is all faux. Looks like a straight leg. We'll see what it looks like on. And then it has this opening here. Kind of cool, right? Those look fun. And let me look if I requested those. I did. So the tee and the crop I requested back in May. Okay, so my stylist is Serena, and she said, as the workplace opens up, many of us have been feeling the need to put that little bit of extra polish into our wardrobe. These chic pieces should keep you feeling comfortable and confident for the day as we get back into the work groove. It would be great if you could leave me feedback to let me know what you love and don't love so we can be seamless on the next edit. All right, I can't wait to try these on. Let's do it. Okay, first off, I decided to try on this dress. It's a lot cuter than I was thinking on. It's a bit wrinkled, which is throwing it off just a bit from being in the box. But the colors are very pretty, and it has this nice little V-neck, the cute little stitching here at the top as well as in the back. Loving that little bit of that flirty bottom. Just adds a little bit of extra. The belt is cute, bringing it together so it's not too shapeless. And I like it. What do you think? Here's a closer look at the pattern. That little bit of stitching here at the top. All right, and this one is called the Pixel Dress in White Leaf by Gentle Fawn, $98. And we'll get to the next outfit. Okay, so next up is my Highway to Hell t-shirt, which I'm in love with, and ask me why. I do love ACDC though. So this is adorable. I like that she paired. I'm thinking she grabbed the purple shorts to go with this t-shirt, which goes very, very well. This t-shirt is incredibly soft, super comfy, great for all year round, right? So pair it with a super cute jacket, sweatshirt, zip up, and you can basically wear it all the time. Probably not work appropriate, but otherwise a very cute t-shirt, graphic tee. The shorts are really nice too, very, very soft. I probably have a little bit of extra room in them. They're super stretchy, so I might want to size down in them or just go with a relaxed fit. They have the front pockets. The color is very, very pretty. You could dress them up or keep it casual. So the ACDC World Tour graphic tee, $49, and the Lila Ryan Susannah short in Heirloom Lilac, $68. Okay, so I swapped out the shorts with this next outfit because I don't have another top to share with you. So I still have on the tee, but I probably would not wear this t-shirt with these shorts. So these are an interesting one. These are the BB Dakota tan short, and these are the that were all polyester. I typically do not like really light bottoms on myself unless they're denim, because then they're more structured, have a little bit more fabric to them. So I don't really own any light tan shorts, or probably even light tan pants, really. I only like light denim because I feel like they're not forgiving, right, to anything that you might have there around the bum area. Oh my. All right. These I feel might be an exception. They're an interesting short in that they're not like clingy anywhere. They're very, very loose fitting. They don't cling to your bum in any way, shape, or form, as you can see. They're not showing any lumps or bumps or anything. They have an elastic waist. They have a little bit of a pattern. They're not really smooth. It's just in the fabric, if you guys can see that a little bit. And they're very, very comfortable. So very much of a relaxed, loose fit. So I'm almost thinking these might be the first tan short to make it into my closet so that I have a pair, because I don't own any. Let's see how much these are first. These are called the Here Today Short and Natural by BB Dakota, and they're $69. So if I needed a fifth item, I just might keep these. You could dress these up with a pretty blouse, wear them with a tank, a different graphic tee potentially. So I think there's some potential with these. So kind of interesting, because I was initially like, oh, a light tan short, I don't think so. All right, let's do the next outfit. Okay, so next up I have on two items. Still have the t-shirt on, which I think this makes for a fun look. So this is more casual than work, like she was referring to. But I have on the Tart blazer. This is a really pretty, very soft, very comfortable blazer. So this is all knit, very stretchy, like very stretchy. Has this little fold over collar going on. Zipper pockets here on the side. Look at the stretch in the sleeve, just to give you that idea. So you can pull it up, or you can leave it down wherever you want it. It's going to stay. It's not going to fall down. The sleeves are going to stay wherever you put them, which is a huge plus in my mind. What do you think of the fold over style? Do you like that? I think it makes it a little bit more professional in my mind, so you could dress it up. Love it with the casual tee, but it means if you put a tank or a dressier blouse underneath it, it's going to dress it up for you. So I do like it. Comes up a little bit in the back there, but makes for a really nice look. And then I put it on with these pull-on Liverpool glider jeans in Love. These are supposed to be a crop, so probably supposed to be a little higher on my leg than they are on me. So I only have a 28-inch inseam. However, I think as long as I wear a little bit of a heel, I'm going to be okay. Have this really fun slit on the side. So these hit me more at the ankle. Probably supposed to hit another, probably an inch or two, a little bit higher. But I think they look good with the heel. They have the unfinished hem, so I could probably cut them, but I usually don't do that. Overall, I love them. They're very, very soft. Slide right on. Real pockets, but faux zipper. Real button, but you have no reason to unbutton it. Real pockets in the back. Fits is perfection. Amazing stretch. So the pricing for these items, this is the Nisha Blazer in Pearl Gray, $88, as I said, by the Tart collection. And then the Gia Glider Crop with the slit hem in Bronte by Liverpool, $98. So not cheap. And we have one more item to try on. Final outfit is the Z Supply dress. How cute is this dress? So she sent it to me in this dark green, so perfect for fall transition, right? So I guess no need to stock up on any more summer clothes, even though I adore summer clothes and really can't have enough of them. But in Pennsylvania, anything that transitions is good to have. This does come up on the sides, but in a decent manner, so this is great. You could also probably tie this off if you want to make it a little bit shorter. What are you doing over there, Zay? Huh? Love that this one has sleeves, so it has the t-shirt style. Nice V-neck. There's really nothing, in my opinion, not to love about this. The fabric is fantastic, and you could throw a jean jacket on over this, whatever your favorite jacket is, a little bomber, and you are set for day and evening. I love it. So this one is, the color's called Seaweed, and it is $69. Let's do a quick wrap up and see where we are. Okay, so what did you think? I thought this was a really great collection. Serena's a newer stylist for me, but I think she did really well. So she tried to do quite a bit of variety, finished me out for, I think, summer. I know the stylists are already starting to think about fall, even though I'm not, but I understand it. And I appreciate that she was trying to think about back to the office as well as just versatility. So loving this dress by Z Supply. I think this is just a comfy dress for all the things. So I could easily put a jacket on and wear this for virtual meetings or wear it for the weekend, travel, all the things. This was a request, so I do love it. So that's number 2. I requested the Liverpool, and I really like these. I think the length was tough for me because they're more ankle than they are crop, but I really like them, and I think as long as I wear a little bit of a heel, that they work. I also think they'd be super cute with booties going into the fall. So I'm really loving these. So that's 3, which means I'm already spending quite a bit, and I feel like I need to get to 5 for a discount. I will tell you that everything, all 7, was $539. If I and the 20% discount on all of the items would be $107.80, bringing my total down to $431.20, and then your $20 styling credit would come off of that. So that means that I would have to pick 2 items from the remaining 4, which would be this blazer, which is one of the more pricier items, but I do think this was a great color, being this light gray. It'd be very neutral, go with a lot, and it's super soft. Could be casual or dressy, or I could go with something a little less expensive like these BB Dakota tan shorts, although wouldn't be able to wear it quite as much. Or I could go with the purple shorts. There's nothing really bad here. Nothing here that I like hated and was like absolutely no, right? The purple shorts are really pretty. Love that bright lilac. It looks really cute with the t-shirt. And then we have this dress, which I also thought was pretty. But I'll be honest, I'm conflicted. I don't know which of the other 4 I would choose. So help me. Which of these 2 would you think should make it into the final 5 if I go with 5? I'm going to list all these items down below. In case you want to request anything from your stylist, put them on your wish list. I thought she did a great job. This was a really fun collection. I enjoyed bringing it to you. I always enjoy Wantable. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Please hit that like before you go. Would love you to hang out and hit that subscribe and help my channel grow. If you already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love all my subbies. You guys are amazing. I almost forgot to tell you, I will put my link to Wantable down below. If you use my link, you will get $10 off your first box if you want to give Wantable a try. Till next time, bye everybody.